Programmable robots are more advanced and exciting than ever before. From smart robot dogs that respond to voice commands to DIY robotic cars and AI-powered robot arms, these gadgets combine fun, learning, and technology in one package. Whether you want an educational STEM toy, a coding robot for beginners, or a smart companion packed with interactive features, there's something for everyone. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best programmable robots you can buy right now. We researched popular models, features, and user feedback to create this list. Check the links in the description for updated prices and details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Number 5. ZWN X1 RC AI Smart Robot Dog. The ZWN X1 RC AI Smart Robot Dog is a fun and interactive programmable toy designed for kids who love robotics and smart gadgets. It supports voice commands, remote control functions, singing, dancing, and multiple movement actions that make playtime more exciting. The robot dog can respond to instructions, perform tricks, and entertain children with music and interactive behaviors. Its compact design and rechargeable battery make it easy to use indoors or outdoors. Perfect for beginners, this robot combines entertainment with early STEM learning and helps children explore the basics of smart robotic technology in a playful way. Number 4. ANTSIR AI Simulation Robot Dog. The ANTSIR AI Simulation Robot Dog brings a more realistic robotic pet experience with advanced interactive features and smart controls. It supports voice commands, app control, and programmable actions that allow users to customize movements and behaviors. This intelligent machine dog can perform acrobatics, dance routines, and playful tricks while responding to touch and sound interactions. The realistic design and smooth movements make it feel more lifelike compared to traditional toy robots. Great for kids interested in robotics and AI technology, this model offers both fun entertainment and a beginner-friendly introduction to programming concepts and smart automation. Number 3. Hywiwine Funny RC Robot Stunt Dog. The Hywiwine Funny RC Robot Dog is designed to keep kids entertained with stunts, touch-sensing controls, music, and programmable actions. This electronic robot dog responds to voice commands and remote control instructions while performing flips, dances, and playful movements. Built-in songs and sound effects make interactions more enjoyable, while the touch-sensitive controls add another level of fun. Its lightweight and durable design makes it ideal for children who want an engaging robotic toy without complicated setup. If you're looking for a programmable robot dog that combines entertainment, movement, and interactive learning, this model is a great choice for younger users. Number 2. KEYESTUDIO 4WD Programmable Smart Robot Car. The KEYESTUDIO 4WD Smart Robot Car is a fantastic STEM-focused robotics kit designed for learning programming, automation, and electronics. Built around the Arduino platform, this DIY robot car allows users to assemble, customize, and code their own robotic vehicle. It features 4-wheel drive performance, obstacle avoidance capabilities, and expandable modules for advanced experiments. Perfect for students, beginners, and robotics enthusiasts, this kit helps users learn coding, sensors, and robotic control systems through hands-on experience. Whether for education, hobby projects, or STEM training, this programmable robot car delivers both learning value and practical robotics experience. Number 1. BinHex MaxArm 5-axis Robot Arm. The BinHex MaxArm 5-axis robot arm is the most advanced and professional programmable robot on this list. Designed for robotics enthusiasts, makers, and AI developers, this open-source robotic arm supports Arduino, ESP32, and Python programming for advanced customization and automation projects. It features inverse kinematics control, allowing precise robotic movement and realistic arm manipulation. The 5-axis design makes it suitable for coding experiments, AI applications, object handling, and educational robotics development. With powerful expandability and professional-level functionality, this robot arm is an excellent choice for users who want serious programming and robotics capabilities in one compact system. Programmable robots are a fun and powerful way to learn technology, coding, and robotics skills. From interactive robot dogs to advanced DIY robot arms, these 5 models offer great features for both beginners and tech enthusiasts. Whether for STEM learning, entertainment, or AI projects, there's a perfect robot here for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.